Top strategies to ace the CBAP exam in 2024. Preparing for the CBAP, Certified Business Analysis Professional, exam can be a daunting challenge. But with the right strategies, success is within your reach. As we move into 2024, the exam has evolved, reflecting the latest trends and practices in business analysis. From understanding the BABIC guide to mastering exam techniques, we've got you covered. Understanding the CBAP exam structure and blueprint. The Certified Business Analysis Professional, CBAP, exam is a rigorous assessment that requires a thorough understanding of its structure and content. The exam blueprint is divided into 6 key knowledge areas based on the Business Analysis Body of Knowledge, BABIC, guide. Each section is weighted differently, so it's essential to familiarize yourself with the percentage breakdown and focus your studies accordingly. Effective time management techniques for CBAP exam preparation. Time management is crucial when preparing for the CBAP exam. With a vast amount of material to cover, it's important to develop a structured study plan. Prioritize areas where you feel less confident, but also allocate time for regular reviews of topics you already know. Using tools like study calendars and timers can keep you on track and prevent burnout. Leveraging CBAP study groups and online communities. Study groups and online communities can be invaluable resources during your CBAP exam preparation. Engaging with peers who are also preparing for the exam allows you to share insights, clarify doubts, and gain new perspectives on challenging topics. Online forums, social media groups, and virtual study sessions can provide support and motivation. These communities often share study materials, tips, and experiences, which can help you stay informed about the latest exam trends and strategies. Utilizing practice exams and mock tests to boost your confidence. Practice exams and mock tests are essential tools for building your exam day confidence. They simulate the actual exam environment, helping you become familiar with the format and timing of the questions. Regularly taking practice tests allows you to assess your progress, identify areas where you need improvement, and fine-tune your test-taking strategies. Tips for mastering the BABIC guide and key knowledge areas. The BABIC guide is the foundation of the CBAP exam, and mastering it is crucial for success. Begin by thoroughly reading the guide and making detailed notes on each knowledge area. Focus on understanding the underlying concepts, techniques, and tasks outlined in the guide. It's also helpful to create mind maps or summaries to visualize the connections between different knowledge areas. Conclusion. In conclusion, successfully preparing for the CBAP exam requires a combination of strategic planning, effective study techniques, and the right resources. By understanding the exam structure, managing your time wisely, leveraging study groups, practicing with mock tests, and mastering the BABIC guide, you can approach the exam with confidence and competence.